Imagine you are in the middle of a die home improvement project, eager to complete it, but suddenly you encounter electrical wiring. Excitement quickly turns to anxiety. What if the something goes wrong? What if there an electrical shock? Do not worry. We have got you covered. In today's video, we can show you how to tackle electrical DIY product safely so you can feel confident and protect while you work. Before starting any electrical project, always check for live wires using a multimeter. These essential tools ensure you are not working on a live circuit, preventing electrical shocks. Make sure the power if off at the breaker before testing. Power tools are essential for many DIY electrical projects, but they come with their own risks. Always ensure your tools are grounded or double insulated to prevent electrical shocks. Never use damaged power cords or tools in wet environment. One of the most common DIY electrical task is replacing or installing outlets. When handling wires, always wear insulated gloves and ensure all connections are secure. Loose wire can cause short circuits or fires, so double check your work before powering on. Precautions: you can complete your DIY electrical project without fear. Remember, safety comes first. If this video gave you the confidence to tackle your next